Got some new keys done today. I went down to Holden and they were going to charge me $210 for one key. Thought bugger that, so I went up to Supercheap and got some replacement keys, but they need to be programmed. So what I basically did is, it's got two screws in the back here. This is the old key. Undo those two screws and pull out the key part. You need to reinsert that into the new one, so you just do what you just did. Okay, I'll put the key back into the button there, so that's the new key, but it won't work on my car because it's not programmed yet. The code, this is the actual programming unit. That'll reprogram the key for the car. The part number for that is, not sure whether that's going to zoom in on it, KF200. That's for the programming unit, and the actual key itself is KF204, and that'll do a VX Commodore. So all you have to do to do the actual car, stick the key in the ignition, turn it on. It won't kick over because it's not programmed. Try and get this focus happening properly. You get your programming unit, and just underneath here, right there, is where you push that into there. It starts flashing yellow. When it flashes green like that, your key's been programmed. You turn the key off, pull that out, and there we go. We got locks work, and boot's popped. So there you go.